Today I'm in the 800 block of West Buckingham in a duplex 2-bedroom apartment. It's a great layout, great space. You have a balcony out here. This is your living room. This living room is big enough if you want to have a dining room table as well as living room furniture. It works. Hardwood floors. Your kitchen is over here. The kitchen has a small dishwasher, over the stove microwave. One more look at the living room. Sometimes people will put a desk underneath the stairs here. So this is 2 bathrooms. This is the bathroom on this level. It is a shower. There's a big shower, very nice. Glass doors on it. We'll go up the stairs to the 2 bedrooms and another bathroom. This is a decent bedroom. It would absolutely hold a queen size bed, no problem. Has a good sized closet on it. From here we'll go into the master, and I say it's the master just because it's bigger. It also has a bathroom in it. See, it has a little Juliet balcony there. Really nice closet. This would hold a king size bed, no problem. This has a tub and a shower combination in it. You see it's not nice glass doors. Behind this door you have a linen closet inside the bathroom. Here's the front door where we started. There's the entry closet, the coat closet.